It's time. Hi, I'm Diana, and today we're talking about styling the white sneaker. Because for some of you, this isn't a fashion choice, it's a comfort choice. And you need your sneakers, and you happen to have a white pair like this. How can you make them look cute? Well, there's a few reasons why you might be feeling a little frumpy in your white sneakers. I don't love the word frumpy, but I'm going to use it in this case because you know you felt it. You know that you had to wear these one day, and there's nothing you could do with your outfit that didn't make you feel frumpy. Let's talk about all the reasons why your white sneaker outfits aren't looking cute and what we can do about it. So you might have seen my episode on making over your mom's travel outfit. Caused a lot of ruckus. Some people said, hey, don't tell me what to do with my mom. And some people said, hey, I am that mom. Don't tell me what to do with my clothes. And then a whole lot of people said, hey, I am that mom, or I have that mom, and thanks for the help. And they also said, I need to wear comfortable sneakers and I need to know how to make those look cute. Not all of us can change into flat sandals or cute wedges. So I'll be wearing these sneakers with these little Fruit of the Loom socks. They're not exactly no-show, but they're under the ankle. So I've simply put the sneakers on with the outfit I'm wearing. I think what I would actually do is wear a white tank top under this and open it up. And that's already much better. So what I have here is white, cream, and kind of a muted black outfit to go with my kind of white, cream, tan sneakers. So what I'm doing is, even if there's just a little bit of color in your sneakers, try to mirror that somewhere in your outfit. And I'm pairing this with a slouchy bag because sneakers make things casual. And I would be plenty happy to wear this outfit. I think this is really cute. And I think it's the length of the skirt that's helping these sneakers look stylish. Take a look here. A lot of the time when we're talking about just putting on our white sneakers and maybe traveling or doing a lot of walking, a lot of people make this mistake of wearing this clam digger length. And that can make your feet kind of look like chunky with sneakers on. Because not only is there a big gap of skin between the bottom of your clam diggers and your shoes, which kind of cuts things in pieces, the clam diggers also hit you at the widest part of your calves, and then you have these wide shoes, and it makes everything look kind of chunky. Whereas this longer length, it goes almost all the way down to my ankle. So we've got the color mirroring, and we've got this nice length of a skirt that actually looks really good at these sneakers. Another thing that could be making your sneaker looks look not so good is they might not be perfectly clean. And if you would like to know how to easily clean your sneakers with just 3 ingredients, you can watch this video right here. I'll also tag it down below. It's my magic sneaker cleaning formula, and it makes all my shoes look great. So let's talk about sneaker trends right now. Sneaker trends are going toward flatter soles and narrower toe boxes. So white sneakers aren't necessarily the most trendy thing. They had a moment when everybody was wearing them in Paris, but now people are gravitating toward a flatter sole and kind of a more boxy, more narrow toe. And some of us ladies can't do that. So what do we do if we want to wear the white sneakers that we have that have the wider toe box, but we still want to look modern? So what we need to do is make the toe of your sneakers look narrower in comparison to something else. They're not any narrower than they've ever been. Suppose if you wear them with a wider legged pants, in comparison to the bottom of the pants, your toes are going to look narrower than the pants. And I think that this is actually a really classy look that I would be happy going on my European walking tour around Rome in. I feel so stylish in this. Let's also notice that when the sneakers are white, when you're keeping your outfit lighter, they stand out less as sneakers. But what if we do want more color or depth? Okay, this is a lot of fun to play with. Here we have a little jumpsuit. I mean, it doesn't have to be a jumpsuit. It could be a tank top and some wide leg pants. Mine just happens to be a jumpsuit. But the reason I picked it is because I felt like these shoes were looking a little bit dorky with it, and I thought, let's fix that. And I think that when your shoes are looking just too chunky, too heavy, you want to play with proportion, you want to even it out. Like I have nothing going on up here, so I'm going to put on a really paper thin layer that's going to balance this out. You might remember this blouse from a previous video. It's super thin, you can see through it, right? It's so light, and it's structured like a double-breasted coat, but it's just a super light blouse. And already, this is creating some balance where you don't even notice the shoes. This blouse does come with a belt if you did want to cinch it in. And I do feel like this is kind of cute, but they're still looking like, hey, I'm white sneakers. So this is what you do. You respect your sneakers. You give them a little love. Say, yes, you're part of my outfit. I need to balance you out. I need to compliment you with a friend. And just like you would with any other outfit, if you had black shoes on, you'd put on a black belt. Of course, we're not putting on a belt here, but we are going to add a white bag because your shoes need a friend. And I feel like this is a really feminine and kind of baffling outfit, but I'm very comfortable in it, and I get to wear my super comfortable sneakers. I think this could also use a scarf, and I always like to use this belt as a scarf. And now I'm feeling cute, and I'm feeling like my shoes have a balanced friend, and I'm feeling very artsy and flowy and comfortable. What else? I'm in the mood for a little bit of a Queen Baddie inspired outfit. So of course I brought out this plain white tank top. And of course we're gonna layer over it because I've got these leopard pants on and we are gonna do something. We're gonna have some fun and we're going to be orthopedically correct. I've got a jacket I'm gonna steal from a future thrift haul. So when I bring it out, don't be like, hey, we already saw that. It's just perfect for the moment. It is a floral soft blazer. It's so pretty, and it's so pretty with the leopard and the, what do you call these? Ribbons. And is anybody even really caring at this point that I'm wearing white walking sneakers? I mean, they almost look like they're on purpose. They look like I purposely chose them because I echoed it here with white. So I'd say that's probably one of the #1 rules. Is like treat your sneakers like they're on purpose. Keep them clean and match them with other white details. And then of course, if you want to make it a more structured outfit and a little more serious, this is not a serious outfit, but if you wanted to make it just a little bit more serious, you add your grown-up bag. And if you wanted to make it a little more fun, then add some color. Add a pop of whatever you want. This is a whatever you want outfit. Just make sure you're balancing the white with the white. And leopard is a neutral. Thanks, Queen Baddie. So here we have a little bit of kind of a double whammy outfit where we have the sneakers looking kind of chunky and we have a length of a skirt that's not very flattering. Sometimes we do care about that, sometimes we don't. Right now we're gonna care about it a little bit, okay? Because right now, from the knees down, this is kind of a dorky outfit. But what we're going to do is we're not going to change any of that. We're just going to cause a lot of distraction up here so that the eye goes up, not down there. So what I've done is I've added this tank top that has a lot of movement. It has all these pom-poms on it. It's so fun. And we're just going to keep adding up here to draw the eye up here and away from that. We're dressing for distraction. This is plenty distracting, but we could go further. Let's add my fun poppy bag, and we've got a really springy looking outfit here, and you don't even see these sneakers anymore, don't lie. I could even go a little bit further. I don't even think we need to consult Queen Baddie about that. Yep, adding a scarf. Pop that collar. And now I have so much stuff going on up here, you're not even thinking about my feet. And I'm not thinking about my feet either because they're comfortable, and this is what I need to do for myself. I'd like to see a real kerfuffle up here. I feel so springy and silly in this outfit and fun. It's not about hiding away. It can be about comfort, but you can have joy at the same time as comfort. And I hope this little video helped you, or helped your mom, or if you are that mom, I'm glad you're here and I didn't scare you off with my travel video. Now let's change out of those clam diggers and have some fun. I'll see you soon.